Hello viewers, are you experiencing with the problem Facebook Reels not showing in Reels section? If I go to post section and scroll down, here you can see 16 minutes ago I upload a Reels on Facebook. This post only showing here but in Reels section not showing. In this tutorial I'll explain to you why is this happening and how to fix it. First of all, I ensure that this problem is not happening only to you. Many users experiencing this problem in Facebook. Actually, this is a Facebook bug or glitch. You cannot solve this problem if you want because this is a matter of Facebook. Only Facebook authority can solve this problem. Now you can do only one thing. You can report this problem to Facebook authorities. When many people will report this problem to Facebook authority, then Facebook will solve this problem quickly. So now you should report this problem to Facebook authority and wait until the problem resolved. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.